Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we have a very important project to cover. This is the Soneium Airdrop and this is the layer 2 solution from the Sony company. This is huge and you cannot miss this opportunity to start doing things early for this possible airdrop in the future. Like always in my videos, we are going to talk a little bit about the project and then I go step by step with everything that you can do to start positioning yourself in the best place for this possible airdrop of Soneium, the SONY Blockchain layer 2 solution. So let's go directly to the content. What is Soneium? This is the layer 2 blockchain from Sony Block Solution Labs team. And Sony, guys, is a big group corporation. You have Sony Group Corporation, Sony Music, Sony Pictures, Sony Innovation Fund and more. Even Sony Global Education. So Sony is one of the biggest companies in Asia. And like you know, in the gaming industry, they are PlayStation. So this is going to be super big. And Soneium builds on existing layer 1 infrastructure, processing data to address the slow processing speeds and high fees typically associated with layer 1 solutions. So this is a L2 for Ethereum. Soneium leverages Optimism Foundation's OP stack and Superchain to create a scalable, AVM compatible, developer friendly blockchain. And this is where you are saying, well, another layer 2 using OP stack, so what's the difference with any other layer 2? For now, guys, there's no difference. So yeah, the L2 ecosystem is keep growing, and when you think that nobody else is going to create another layer 2 in Ethereum, then you have Sony creating their own blockchain. And this is probably going to be a trend on 2025, starting to see big companies creating their own blockchain solutions for their own products and expanding into the crypto market. When you think that we already have Base, Arbitrum, Mantle and other layer 2 solutions already on the top of the market, then think again, because we still don't know exactly which one of all these L2s is going to be the one that really get mainstream. Important points about this project: besides being a Sony project, they have many VCs with them. So they are launching this Soneium Spark. This is another of the important points, which is an incubation program to expand developers and also creating the apps on the ecosystem. And you can see all the VCs that are behind this project now helping Sony on this. You can get even $100,000 if you are starting to create something on the platform. So this is going to move fast and maybe it's going to position this ecosystem in a great spot when we get actually the bull run of this cycle. Another news is that they launched the Soneium Minato testnet just a couple of days ago, and that is what we are going to cover today too. So going to the step by step of this tutorial, the first thing that you can do is that you can bridge Sepolia Ethereum into the Soneium Minato testnet. So here you have the official link to the testnet. So once you connect your wallet with MetaMask or many other options, you need to be in Sepolia, and you can see once you are connected, you need to have Sepolia testnet faucet Ethereum, and from here it's super easy. You just need to put the amount and review the deposit. Initial deposit is going to be this amount of gas and you will receive it on the Minato testnet. So initiate the deposit. This could take a long time. Of course, here you need to confirm the transaction and this is going to be sent. But again, this could take several minutes to actually process. In the meantime, in the step 2, you have 2 links where you can go and get your Ethereum Sepolia. One is for Alchemy and the other is for QuickNode. You will need to create accounts if you don't have there, but this is 100% free. So join with your Google account or create another account with your email and get Faucet Sepolia Ethereum token. These of course are for testnet and doesn't have any monetary value. The other thing that you can do is that Soneium Minato already partnered with Third Web. So you can go to this URL of thirdweb.com and using Soneium Minato, you could get Faucet directly into the network. So step 3, go to that link. So once you are here, you can connect using any of your wallets. If you click here on connect wallet, or you can connect with another of these applications like with Google directly. And after you connect, you will see here a button to get free Ethereum fast, so you can get 0.01 faucet tokens on Soneium Minato directly. And down here you have all the information of the network, but I would recommend you to click here on add to wallet, and this is going to add directly the network into your MetaMask, for example. That way you already have the testnet in your MetaMask and you can go there, and besides breaching the funds from the other points that we cover, you can get directly 0.01 here. Now the point 4 is the Testnet Explorer, so here is the URL in case you miss it. So here you can search your wallet and you will be able to confirm that you did the transaction. This is going to help you after you start interacting with the apps and other things in the ecosystem in the future. Now another point that I recommend you to do is join the Discord, because you receive an initial role. Right now there are many people in the Discord here on Soneium, but at some point this could be like full, like happened with ZkSync at some point, and you may not be able to enter. So I recommend you to enter now and you will receive your initial role. And here on server 2 roles you can see that you can click here to get notifications from the roles, and you have some roles here that are actually active right now. Now the point 6 is what we commented before. The Soneium Spark is an incubation program to expand the ecosystem so developers and companies start creating on Soneium testnet and eventually deploy to mainnet. So we can expect soon a new testnet ecosystem over this new L2. And don't forget that this could be a next step on Sony PlayStation to use this layer 2 in the future. So they are a big company with many VCs backing up this project and many connections. So I think one of the focus of this protocol, not only DeFi, but it's going to be the gaming industry and AI. Now another thing to keep in mind for this protocol is the Soneium nodes. So we still need information about it, but maybe we can run a Soneium testnet node that could give us rewards too. There was many cases like Celestia that if you run a node on the testnet, when they launched the airdrop, they rewarded a lot to the people that was running a node. So good recommendation is to keep looking here on Soneium node on the documentation, because there are no information yet, but coming soon we will have information about the node and then how we can run it. And the point 8 is also soon in third web you should be able to deploy a testnet contract, also tokens and NFTs, like happened with many other networks that you can use right now. And also there are many other providers that will be adding this testnet so you can interact with it. Because right now we don't have proper dApps to go and interact, so we are super early on this, but you can start doing all the points that we mentioned in this video. So soon check again on third web for Soneium Minato, because you probably will have the options to go and deploy contracts on this platform. That will be all for this video. An early coverage of Soneium Layer 2 solution, a SONY Blockchain. And if you want to be up to date with all the airdrop information, you need to be in my private Discord. We are one of the biggest communities on airdrops. We manage high level of information, and the Discord has a top and maximum amount of people allowed. So once we fill our range, then you cannot enter anymore into the Discord. So far you still have empty seats, so if you want to be part of this community, join to my private Discord. We have many channels of active airdrops, BRC20 airdrops on Bitcoin and many more. And we also have channels for crypto gems, crypto portfolio strategies, and also passive incomes, like this strategy with yield farming, where you can earn 10% passively when you buy one of these NFTs, because the Chris team is always doing yield farming with blue chips on the crypto space, and with that percentage you can earn 10% monthly of your investment on the NFTs. So this is a way to start increasing your earnings with low risk instead of trying to trade. So when you get some money from airdrops, you can allocate some part into passive airdrop strategies, so you grow your portfolio and your money, which is actually the final goal, to be financially independent and having different passive income streams that will give you the freedom that you are looking for. So check this video if you didn't saw it, because this is a crypto gem right now to earn passive income. And also we have our airdrop application. If you are interested, this will change your game completely if you are focusing on airdrops. You cannot be successful if you don't use my app, because you need to be doing, like me, 70 airdrops between 12 to 20 wallets right now. And you cannot manage that amount of volume, transactions, and work with just an Excel file. So check my application, how it works, and what airdrops I am recommending is everything in the app. That will be all. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.